Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Oh Meow Easy English, the place where learning English is both easy and fun. I'm so happy to see you again. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma, and hello to all our amazing listeners out there. I'm Daniel, and it's always such a joy to be here. How are you doing today, Emma?
I'm feeling great, Daniel. The sun is shining, the sky is clear, and it's just a beautiful day. I love days like this. They make me feel fresh and full of energy.
Oh, absolutely. Beautiful weather always puts me in a good mood, too. And guess what? We have a very useful topic today, right?
Yes, we do. Today, we're going to talk about going to the doctor's office.
Ah, that's a big one. Very important, even if it's not always the most fun thing to do.
True. No one really likes going to the doctor, but we all have to go sometimes, especially when we're not feeling well.
Right. So, today we'll learn some useful words and sentences you can use when you visit the doctor. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel, Oh Meow Easy English, and give this video a thumbs up.
Yes, it really helps our channel grow. And don't forget to share this episode with your friends or family. Learning together makes it more fun.
Okay, now let's begin. Emma, let's imagine that today you're not feeling very well.
Oh no, poor me. Okay, Daniel, let's see. I think my head hurts and I feel a little hot.
Maybe you have a fever.
A fever? That sounds serious. What should I do?
First, you should call the doctor's office to make an appointment.
So I call on the phone and say, what exactly?
You can say, "Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor, please."
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor, please. Oh, that's easy enough.
Yes, it's simple and polite. Then the receptionist will probably ask, "What is your name?"
I'll say, my name is Emma.
Great. Then they'll ask, "What's the problem?"
I can answer, my head hurts and I feel hot.
Perfect. After that, they'll look for a time and say something like, "Can you come at 2 p.m.?"
And I can reply, yes, I can. Or, sorry, can I come at 3 p.m. instead?
Exactly. That's called making an appointment.
Oh, appointment. That's a new word. So an appointment means a planned time to meet someone, like a doctor.
That's right. Now, let's imagine it's 2 p.m. You arrive at the doctor's office.
Okay, I walk in, go to the front desk, and what do I say?
You can say, "Hello, I have an appointment at 2 o'clock. My name is Emma."
That's clear and polite. I like that. And the receptionist will probably say, please take a seat. The doctor will see you soon.
Exactly. Then you wait in the waiting room. Maybe you'll see some chairs, some magazines, and maybe even a few other people waiting.
Right. I can read a magazine or play on my phone while I wait.
Then, after a few minutes, a nurse calls your name. "Emma."
Oh, that's me. The nurse takes me to a smaller room, right?
Yes. The nurse might ask you some questions like, "How are you feeling today?"
I can say, not so good. My head hurts.
The nurse might check your temperature with a thermometer to see if you have a fever.
Oh, yes, that small thing they put in your ear or under your tongue.
That's right. Then the doctor comes in.
Hello, doctor.
The doctor smiles and says, "Hi, Emma. What brings you here today?"
I'll say, my head hurts and I feel hot. Maybe I have a fever.
That's a good answer. The doctor may also ask if anything else hurts, maybe your throat or your stomach.
Maybe my throat hurts too. It's hard to swallow.
That's called a sore throat.
Ah, sore throat. And when your head hurts, it's a headache, right?
Yes, you're learning so fast.
I'm trying. So I can say I have a headache and a sore throat.
Perfect. The doctor might use a stethoscope. That's the tool they use to listen to your heartbeat and breathing.
Oh, the one they always wear around their neck?
Exactly. They might say, "Breathe in, breathe out."
Inhale, exhale. I always feel like I'm doing yoga.
Yes, it's a little like that. After checking, the doctor will probably say something like, "You have a cold."
A cold? That's not too bad.
No, it's not serious. The doctor might give you some advice, like get lots of rest and drink plenty of water.
Rest means sleep or relax, right?
Exactly. Don't work too hard or move around too much.
Oh, okay. I can do that. I love resting.
Me too. The doctor might also give you medicine, sometimes a pill, sometimes a liquid.
And they write it down on a prescription, right?
That's right. A prescription is the paper that tells the pharmacist what medicine you need.
Then I go to the pharmacy, give them the paper, and they give me the medicine.
Exactly. They'll also tell you how to take it. For example, take one pill in the morning and one in the evening.
Got it. Rest, water, and medicine. Then, after a few days, I feel better.
Yes, you're healthy again.
Yay! That's the best feeling. When you wake up and your body feels light and strong again.
Absolutely. It's so important to take care of your body.
And sometimes we feel okay in our body, but not in our heart.
That's true. Sometimes the pain isn't physical, it's emotional.
Right. And for that kind of hurt, talking to someone can really help, like a friend, a family member, or even through prayer.
Yes, prayer is powerful. It's like medicine for the heart. It gives you peace and hope.
That's beautiful, Daniel. Taking care of both your body and your heart, that's real health.
Exactly. So friends, remember, if your body feels sick, go to the doctor. If your heart feels sad, talk to someone you trust, or take a moment to pray.
Wonderful advice. And before we say goodbye, let's review the new words we learned today, together. Okay, Daniel, let's test each other. I'll say the word and you tell everyone what it means. Ready?
Let's do it.
First word, appointment.
That's when you plan a time to meet someone, like a doctor.
Nice. Second, receptionist.
The person at the front desk who helps you or answers the phone.
Good job. How about nurse?
The nurse helps the doctor and takes care of patients.
Great. Next one, thermometer.
That's the small tool used to check your temperature.
Yes. And headache.
When your head hurts.
Perfect. Sore throat.
When it hurts to swallow or talk.
And fever.
When your body feels hot because you're sick.
Very good. What about stethoscope? That's a big one.
Yes, that's the tool doctors use to listen to your heartbeat.
Excellent. Prescription.
The paper that doctor gives you for your medicine.
And last one, pharmacy.
That's the store where you buy your medicine.
Great job, Daniel. And everyone listening, how many of these words do you remember?
Write your favorite new word in the comments below.
And don't forget to subscribe to Oh Meow Easy English for more fun English learning podcasts like this one.
Learning English can be easy, and we're here to make it fun.
Take care, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.